Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
The BJP on Monday was ecstatic. Congress President Rahul Gandhi expressed regret in the Supreme Court for incorrectly attributing the Chaukidar Chor Hai slogan in context of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the court. Well, this was done after senior BJP leader Meenakshi Lekhi filed a petition in court with respect to Rahul Gandhi's remarks regarding the Rafale deal. Now, to clarify, the Congress president has apologized for attributing the slogan to the court, but has not apologized to the PM for calling him a thief, and that is an important clarification which the Congress has also made. However, the BJP believes that the fact that the Congress president had to apologize in itself gives it a lot of ammunition coming in the midst of a heated election season. In fact, we saw how on Twitter there were hashtags which were trending, which included Rahul apologizes or Congress admits jhoot, both of which were floated by the BJP and its ecosystem. The party believes that whatever the technicality of the apology may be, it gives it that weapon, another weapon in fact, to target the Congress president, and this is something that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to use extensively in rallies. Now he's going to talk about how the Congress president was forced to apologize for his remarks, and how which means that the family, the dynasty is used to lying, is making unnecessary allegations at the PM and against the PM. Well, the BJP has always believed that the Rafale issue is not quite sticking among the voters, and it's calling the PM a thief is something that is only going to boomerang on the Congress. This is, as I said, what the party believes. And with this additional development in which the Congress president had to apologize to the court, the BJP is now certain that this issue is over, and in fact, it can be used by the party top leadership to target the Congress instead. Do keep following us on YouTube for much more. For The Print, this is Ruhi Tiwari.